Welcome guys, and yes, another day of sharing with you how I do like maintaining my workout clothes. You might be interested guys. Yes, there's still a lot of things to fix at home because of the pet we have. So guys, I want to show you, this is not a disciplined segment, but really just to point out the practice or the maintenance, the always trying to make it better every day. So practicing all the time, folding my workout clothes, for example, right this time, folding clothes, isn't it? Because sometimes you have too much clothes, and yes, you wash and then it's dry already, and then you need to fold it, and you get the you get the routine, the flow, but sometimes it takes 2 days after, right? So let's practice folding, okay? Hey guys, this is my tennis